how Ariana Grande played peacemaker between Monica and Brandy. For her song video, Ariana Grande tried to restore Monica and Brandy's broken relationship. The 30-year-old singer recently collaborated with Penn Badgely and the renowned singing pair on her music video for The Boy Is Mine, in which she portrayed Catwoman in a black leather suit, while Brandy and Monica played news anchors, resulting in the two spending more time together. Ariana has now released a remix of the duo's original 1998 single, The Boy Is Mine, with the pair. Back then, rumors circulated that their on camera competition over a guy caused a real life schism in their friendship. Monica told ET, "We realized that the key was to keep other people out of our relationship, both business and personal, and keep it just between her and me. And that has changed everything. It has shifted its whole course. My son was in the hospital the other day, and she was who I was speaking to while he was there. So I think yeah, that is what Ariana has done that she may not even realize. She continued. She continued saying that she and Brandy communicated more while filming than they had in the previous 2 decades. The new collaborative method helped to close many of the gaps. When you effectively explain something, you might uncover not just fixes and solutions to difficulties, but you may also discover that there were never any problems, simply persistent miscommunications. It made it much easier simply to chat. She said of Ariana reconciling her with Brandy.